In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from a project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser of choice and log into your Asana account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the main project dashboard where all your projects are listed. It's a pretty straightforward setup, and you'll be able to get to work immediately. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the sidebar. This is where all your projects are grouped. Find the specific project from which you need to manage users. Just click on it to open up the project details. Now, when the project page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a blue button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to a list of all the project members currently involved in that project. Now, take a moment to look through the list and find the specific person you want to remove. Once you've identified them, look to the right of their name. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that menu to see more options. In this drop-down, you'll see a list of permission options. Just scroll down until you find the one that says Remove from Project. Select that option. At this point, Asana may prompt you to confirm this action, just to make sure you actually want to proceed with the removal. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. This step is crucial as it helps prevent accidental removals. And that's it. You've successfully removed the user from your project. Now take a moment to check your project members list again to ensure the change has been made. It's always a good idea to double-check after making adjustments like this. Removing users from projects in Asana can help streamline your workflow and keep your projects organized. Whether it's due to a change of roles, someone no longer being part of the project, or simply needing to refresh the team members involved, it's a quick and easy process. And there you have it. You've gone through all the steps to remove a user from your project in Asana. This handy feature can make managing your projects a lot easier, especially as teams evolve and change over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Asana and enhancing your productivity. You can always drop any questions you might have in the comments below. I'm here to help, so feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy